Obila ochako nonro ewi gwandruok manyoneno e kind jaod bura ma Embakasi East Babu Owino kod MCA makileleshwa Robert Alai e magawa moro Nairobi. Kaluwore kod Babu Owino, Alai nyoke kode kendo golo ne bunde e kinde manyo dhi mosogi ka Alai seni osebedo kochwalo jomoko mondo nyisa chaya ne min ode e mbui. Kaluwore kod OCPD makilimani Patricia Yegon, oyango ni jotelo ariyogo ne osendiko dhoggi ka obila bende osenolimo klabno manyo jotelogo nitiere mariango adiera ewi gima nyotimore.
He stood up, pushed me, saying, "You cannot be a governor of Nairobi. You sent people to attack my wife on social media." Then immediately he removed a gun, cocked the pistol, came straight, hit me with the pistol on my chest. Then a short time, punched me on my right jaw. Still stood looking at him. Then there was a police officer. He was seated with several DCI officers. One of the DCI officers went and took the gun from him.
The MCA, that is Kileleshwa Ward, Alai, had a firearm which was confiscated and currently at Kilimani police station. The two politicians appeared before Kilimani police station at the DCI's office, made their statements, and we are here again today to interview the workers of the hotel, the management, with a view of understanding what transpired